Like 6 ambulances and a fire truck.
They're all just chatting.
And they've cut the roof off the car. Bloody hell,
how many fire engines?
Jesus. Like 6 ambulances and a fire truck.
They're all just chatting.
And they've cut the roof off the car. Bloody hell,
how many fire engines?
Jesus. Lisa said, sorry. Jesus fucking Christ.
Turn left and follow.
Lisa said, sorry. Jesus fucking Christ.
Turn left.
Bloody hell. That BMW just almost hit me.
Did it? Which one?
This one here. That's literally across and right there. What are you doing? The fuck was that?
You don't want lighting.
I know, I'm giving that person a bloody wide berth because she just pulled out.
Selected bets, full T&C supply, 18 plus, spend responsibly. At Trade Point with new low prices on selected built-in essentials, like 20 kilogram blue circle postcode.
Oh, thank you for telling me where the fuck you're going.
Is now free, exclusively for Trade Point members.
What is the point? Why just fuck about with me? No reason to sit in that lane going slowly, and then when I'm trying to overtake, just speed up.
Yeah, you too. Bye.
Oh, you should have bloody gone, shouldn't you?
Oh yeah, why did you call me in the doctor's?
I didn't. Fucking hell. That black car almost just T-boned me.
You're gonna go, aren't you? No.
I thought maybe I'll play them two back to back. Whitewash the girl who chose
I thought you filled in case you needed it for SOS. I thought it would be one piece.
Oh my goodness.
Close the shutters and ensure that the latches are down.
And you fail.
It's meant to be open.
What's that?
Tesco lorry with the shutters on the side over.
Probably not.
Roundabouts. When entering a roundabout, you must slow or stop to give way to any vehicle already in the roundabout.
Idiot.
What the fuck is that?
Nice. You naughty little litterbug you.
And if you press it to the bottom over there, it's going to activate the left turn signal.
Very nice lorry driver, must admit. He had a green light. Keep going.
Woo! You demand!
Just wanted to apologise for the clip we uploaded in the last video. The clip shows us turning into a side road with a pedestrian already crossing. A comment from Beardcycle correctly states that the pedestrian had the right of way. Rule 170 of the Highway Code does say, at junctions you should watch out for pedestrians crossing a road into which you are turning. If they have started to cross, they have priority. We uploaded the clip as I was amused by the jog he did. You know the one you do when someone holds open a door for you? You're not walking, you're not running, you're just exaggerating your walk.
Oh, pedestrians, give way.
Quick.
Fuck, I'll put that in the video. See, you're fucking giving away, I don't even fucking want it.